Today we're at the Tom Sheetz Annual Memorial Rodeo. It's an equipment rodeo for the guys to show off their equipment skills.
It's a lot of fun. I like doing it.
We try to take our top placers from our Pinal County Rodeo and give them a chance to compete here in Gilbert.
Could have been a little slower, nice and easy. It was fun.
Fingers crossed. Kind of hope, right?
A little bit tougher. It's a little bit of a process. Got to make sure you do it all right in time. Otherwise, it makes it a little bit more difficult.
It went a lot better than I thought, but I was still nervous at the same time because you always want to do good in competitions. I just kind of took it easy and kind of go with the flow,
There are more departments, different aspects of maintenance involved in this rodeo. There's anything from sidewalk repairs to asphalt patching, crack sealing, not just heavy equipment, but it's all aspects of maintenance. I think Gilbert does a really good job at getting all aspects of maintenance into this rodeo. I think it's a great opportunity for our guys to see different techniques, and they can build off what they already know. Our crews have progressively gotten better from coming to these rodeos because they see other tools, tips, tricks, anything that can help them out, and it shows.